Hey guys, today I'll be covering pie chart. So if you see here, first I have imported matplotlib, matplotlib.pyplot splt. The other few things that you can see here is first is the labels. So for each of the, if you see here, we are plotting four values 2, 3, 4, 5, and for each of these values, these are the labels that we are assigning. We can even assign explode percentage for each of the. So the second pi, if you see, all the other three are 0, but the second one will explode, and we can even define the colors. While plotting, we have to give all these arguments, and the point to note here is apart from values, everything else is optional. So the current pie plot, if we run it, we'll see a pie plot that has pie chart that has been created for us. The labels are coming from the argument labels. We see the percentage, that is auto percentage, and we have said up to 1 decimal place. Shadow, we can see a shadow in the pie chart, so shadow is equal to true, and the starting angle is specified as 90 degree. plt.axis equal will make this, so we are saying the axis should be equal, so basically it makes it a circle. If you remove it, it will not be a circle but an oval. plt.show will show the pie chart to us. Now I'll start removing one attribute at one argument at a time. Let's remove start angle and see what we get as output. So once we run it, since we have removed the start angle as 90 degree, if you can see it is not at 90 degree. You can remove the shadow now, run it again. So if you see, the shadow is gone. You can even remove the percentage. So now the percentage will not show. You can remove the labels as well. So the labels will not show either. In the moment remove explode option, the second pie is not exploded now. It's part of the circle. If we remove plot axis equal to equal, now it's an oval, no longer a circle. So this completes introduction to pie chart. Bye.